On tonight's video, we're going to talk about how I helped my friend Miss Renee buy a 2015 Toyota Tacoma with the TRD Sport package, and she's also going to talk about her 2015 Subaru WRX. Hello everybody, it's Mike, the Baldadonis. Boom! If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mike the Baldadonis. I talk about many different topics. Sharing life experiences one video at a time is my motto. Hey guys, it's been a little while since I seen you last, huh? It's been about a month. My last car, John Cooper Works, Mini Cooper. I still have it. Summertime is over. Unfortunately, for me, not anybody's looking for a John Cooper Works convertible, so I'll have to sit on that for a little while. I have friends and family that buy cars for me. If I don't have something on hand, they'll ask me, can you find me a particular vehicle? And I will. I do charge a small fee, not a big deal. I do all the running around. My friend Miss Renee, unfortunately for her, last year, July 4th, she was driving her Mazda 3, 2.3 5-speed that she bought from a friend of mine years ago. She loved that car. Somebody decided to take a left right in front of her as she's doing 50 miles an hour. She had to swerve around that person, by the way, that was towing a boat. So she had to get out of the way of both truck and boat. She smashed into a guardrail. She got herself pretty mangled pretty well. Head injuries, body, everything. She's still hurting after a year. So she gave me the task to find her something for this upcoming, winter time. She has a WRX, she loves it, it's a 2015, that is her toy. She does some modifications to it, it's not crazy, but that's what she loves, that's her little, baby, that's her thing. So she needs an everyday driver, so I suggested a Toyota pickup truck. Now here in the Northeast, New England, our frames on Toyotas just rot away. Toyota does recall them, they do fix them, they do replace the frames. Unfortunately, everything around the frame also rot out. So you can find a lot of replaced frame Toyotas on Craigslist. They're asking all the money for them. At the same time, you go look at them, everything around that frame is already rusted. So she had a budget. Not a bad one either. So I was looking for some decent Toyotas. But I just didn't want her to go through what everybody else goes through after a couple of years to have to spend thousands of dollars repairing that frame. So I convinced her to step up the price just a little bit. And I got lucky. I was able to find a gentleman named Alex selling his 2015 Tacoma with the TRD Sport package, 46,000 miles, fully loaded, 4.0, 6-speed. The thing looks brand new tires. He has the original window sticker, the original little sold tag with the salesperson's name on it. He saved everything. Like I said, this truck is immaculate. Matter of fact, Toyota had a recall for that frame. They put it up on the lift. They saw how nice it was. All they did was spray it down, gave it back to Alex. And I had my friends at IGA in Pelham, New Hampshire go through it one more time to make sure everything was what it was. And the thing is immaculate. So I'm very happy that she spent the little extra money on a better vehicle. So here's an example for you. A few years back, about maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I sold a friend a Toyota Tacoma, okay? And Toyota did spray the frame down, The frame looked good at the time, but I told my friend, listen, eventually something's gonna go wrong with this frame. Just keep an eye on it, make sure that whatever happens, start fixing it while you own it. So he's like, yeah, he neglected it. And then a few years ago, he had to spend $2,800 fixing the frame. 2 weeks ago, he gives me a call. He breaks down the street because one of the wheel cylinders popped, no brakes, has it towed to his mechanic, and his mechanic saw this nice crack in the frame, that as you can see. So the truck's undrivable because of the frame. This is what we have in New England. Today, he was able to sell the truck as is, bad frame, for $1,200. So this is what people, so this is why I suggested getting a better vehicle, something a little bit newer, something that had the less miles. And I think she's gonna be very happy. Now for $250, she can have that frame and suspension all oiled, okay? So that will protect that truck for many years. So every year, she has to get it done. It's oil. And that's what we do up here. We oil our frames. All right, so I'm going up to Miss Renee's house, dropping off her truck. She's gonna do a little video with it. And then also, we're gonna do a little video with a WRX, okay? So it's only a few minutes each video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.
I'm Renee. This is my 2015 WRX. This car is about 6 years old. As you can see with the engine, haven't done much. Just aesthetics. We got a radiator shroud and a strut bar. So I got a set of aftermarket wheels. These are Wedge Sports. I got a set of tires, 265, 35, 18, which is the largest you can get on a stock suspension on these cars without any rub. So, as a good Subaru WRX owner, I've got a Cobb access port. Can't go wrong with one of these. So, we got a short shifter and an aftermarket clutch on this car too.